In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Who Live Video Chat to the latest version. So by updating Who Live Video Chat app, you'll be able to get the latest version of this app and also get the latest features that comes with this app, as well as fix any errors or issues related to your app. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to update this app, you need to go ahead and look for the app either through Google Play Store or App Store, and then search for the latest update of this app. So I'll go to Google Play Store here and then search for Who, like that. And you can see we have here our app is installed. However, I'm using an outdated version of Who app, and that's why we have an update here. To get the latest version of this app, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Who Live Video Chat app, then install it on your smartphone. Once the installation is done, now you have the latest version of this app. Go ahead and tap on it to open and start using the latest version of Who app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.